Good morning everyone. Happy New Year. Welcome to Room 3's Assembly.
Can you guess the article from these pictures? Article 29. Education must develop every child's personality, talents and abilities to the full.
Personality means all of the qualities of a person that makes them different to others. Ability means how well you can do something. Talent means a natural skill or ability.
Can you think of words to describe your personality? Here's a student in room 3 describing her personality. Can you think of all the things that you enjoy doing? Here are some examples of what students in room 3 like to do.
School should help you develop all of your skills and help you shine. At our new school we have specialist rooms that can help you develop your skills. A food room, a science room, a music room and a DT room.
Watch this short Global Goals video which shows how lots of young people around the world are using their talents to make the world a better place.
How could you use your talents to make the world a better place? Thank you for listening. Goodbye.